Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mahesh Karia. You're watching me on YouTube now, and in this session, I'm gonna take you through something really very interesting, which is a kind of package manager, which is my favorite package manager. And as a developer, this is something that allows you to use a common package manager for all of your systems. Okay, so if you are on from Windows background or Linux or Mac, then if you are from Mac background, definitely you are familiar with Homebrew. Okay, that's the thing that we are going to cover in this session. But lots of folks are not using it because they think that this is available for Mac users only, but this is something else. Okay, this if you are from DevOps family, if you want to deploy something on EC2 cluster or somewhere else on wherever it may be, Azure, GCP, or DigitalOcean, Heroku, wherever it may be. So what we do, we always choose the different environment, and accordingly we need to set up the new things over there. Okay, let's say PHP, MySQL, PostgreSQL, or any .NET, Node.js, whatever it may be. So by installing to install this kind of things, we always prefer to go to the docs. We read multiple docs, we follow the steps, we write the steps into the notepad or somewhere else, we copy paste the things. That's how we install the things. But in real life we don't do such things. Okay, as a programmer, we I prefer to use Homebrew. Okay, so let me show you how I use it. But if you are not familiar with it, let me show you. This is the home page. Okay, of Homebrew, just brew.sh, and here you just need to grab this thing, just copy and paste inside your Linux terminal or Mac OS terminal. And if you are on Windows, if you are using WSL, inside that you can use this thing. Okay, and I already have it. So after installation you just need to hit brew version, brew-heaven version, hit enter. You will get your current version over here. And in order to, if you don't know anything about this, you just need to hit help. Okay, here you will see all the commands that we use on daily basis. Okay, like brew search, which is very important. Okay, let's suppose you are installing some dependencies on EC2 cluster. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply search for brew search, and what do you want, openjdk, let's say, or Java. So you just need to search for that. Okay, it will search from all the possible dependencies. It will return like this. So from here you can directly install the things like this: openjdk 11, openjdk 17, 8, all the things are available. So I'm gonna install that by using brew install openjdk. Okay, at the rate the version 8, let's say, hit enter. By space using space separation, you can install multiple plugins. Hope so, not sure, I haven't tried. But if you wanna search for, let's say, MySQL. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply search for MySQL. Okay, like the way you will get all the possible uh, things of MySQL or the packages available through this environment as well. Cask, if you want to install something from Cask, you just need to use brew install hyphen cask. Okay, and just name it like Chrome I want. Then I'll first search for Chrome. Okay, let's say Chrome is available or not. Okay, then I'll get the suggestion. Okay, so the Chrome CLI, Chrome, Google Chrome is there. So what I'll do, I'll simply use hyphen cask and Chrome. So like the way I can install. So see how easy it is to download anything using brew. Okay, so make sure to use this thing for your next project or next deployment. Okay, this makes things very easy to install anything. By the way, if you want to install Docker, simply search for brew, search Docker first, and let's see if Docker is available or not. As typo. Okay, and here we go. Yeah. So see, Docker Slim and lots of possible things are available. Simply brew install Docker. So like the instead of remembering all the commands of Linux, Mac, and different environments, Coca, pods, I'm not sure. Like in different environments, we use different things. So you don't need to remember everything if you are a brew a user. Okay, that's how. And if you are using, you can install the GUI software with using that as well. It's not limited to the terminal only, but I can show you. I'm gonna create next video based on how to set up on EC2 instance, but there is no need to make another video as well. You just need to uh, have any terminal, just install the Homebrew over there and just go for it. All the doors are open for you. So this is it, I guess. Why I'm making this video, because lots of folks are not using it, and I don't know why. Like, this is the best thing that we got, and why no one is using it. I'm really very uh, curious to. Uh, it will allow you to open lots of ice. Okay, anyways, so thank you so much all of you guys for being and supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here. Please let me know inside comment box what you want from my side. Definitely I'll make it for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new here, and smash that like button if you enjoyed. And you can use this thanks button as well given below in order to contribute something. Even $1 is enough for it's would be appreciated. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.